hope that you are fine. Well, welcome to the Math Center class with Miss Vero for grade 6. Today we are going to learn about commutative, associative, and distributive. Actually, we are going to review again the material 2 weeks ago. Okay? And in these sessions, of course, I will give you homework or exercise to do at home. Okay? Are you ready? Let's start.
We are going to review the material about integer. We are going to learn commutative, associative, and distributive. First, commutative. Commutative is known as exchange. Komutatif juga artinya dibalik. You just need to flip the numbers. For example, in here, A plus B equal with B plus A. Just flip them. And also, A times B equal with B times A. Tinggal dibalik saja ya. A tambah B dibalik menjadi B tambah A. A kali B dibalik menjadi B kali A. This is the example. Well, in the grade 6, you not only flip the number or find the missing number, but also you have to find the final result of these operations. Berikut adalah contoh soalnya. Di kelas 6, kalian tidak hanya membalik saja atau mencari angka yang hilang, tetapi kalian harus menyelesaikan hasil akhir dari operasi ini. Now, let's move to the second. It is associative. We know it is about move the bracket. Yang kedua adalah asosiatif. Kita mengenalnya dengan memindahkan tanda kurung. In the first, there is A plus B in the bracket. And the result, B plus C in the bracket. Pada contoh pertama, A ditambah B yang di dalam kurung. Kemudian bentuk asosiatifnya yang dipindah adalah kurungnya. Jadi B ditambah C yang di dalam kurung. And the second also, A times B in the bracket. And the result, the associative is B times C in the bracket. Contoh yang kedua, A kali B yang dalam kurung. Lalu bentuk asosiatifnya yang dikurung menjadi B kali C. This is also the example of the associative. When in this example, the bracket is in the behind, then change into in front of. Ini adalah juga bentuk asosiatif. Dalam contoh ini, yang dikurung adalah bagian belakang. Kemudian, tanda kurung itu berpindah menjadi bagian depan. This is the example in the real operation. Well, like you see, first, you put the bracket in front. When you have to do the associative, you move the bracket behind. And after that, you have to find the result of this operation. In the second example, the bracket is in the behind. Then, I move the bracket in front because still this is associative. And finally, I have to find the result of this operation. Now, for the third is distributive, or we know it spreading. Yang ketiga adalah distributif. atau kita kenal dengan penyebaran. For the first example, A plus B in the bracket times C, and we have to spread them. Times C outside will be spread into two brackets. So, like the example, C times A plus C times B. Yang berada di luar kurung, yaitu kali C, itu dipecah menjadi dua di dalam kurung juga. Yang di dalam kurung dimasukkan ke tiap-tiap kurungan. Jadi hasilnya C kali A ditambah C kali B. This is also applied for the multiplications below. A times B plus C. So the result is A times B plus A times C. Begitu juga yang di bawah, A kali B tambah C. Maka disebarkan A kali B ditambah A kali C. In the second example of distributive form is multiplication with subtraction. Contoh bentuk distributif yang kedua adalah bentuk perkalian dengan pengurangan. You can see in the slide carefully. Okay? Diingat-ingat ya teman-teman, tanda kurung ataupun tambah yang berada di dalam kurung nantinya ketika disebarkan akan berada di luar. Sedangkan tanda kali yang ada di luar kurung nantinya akan masuk di dalam tanda kurung. I give you 4 example in doing the operations of distributive until you can find the final answer. This is the first example. And this is the second example, distributive multiplication with addition. This is the third example about the distributive in multiplication with subtraction. And this is the fourth example, the final example, distributive form in multiplication and subtraction. Now, after you finish looking the video, listening to my voice, this is a segment from File Words of Fish that I will share you through Miss Yeni. Okay? Please do the assignment in your exercises book and send them to Miss Vero's WA. Thank you. And for your information, for the one who's not yet submit the science assignment, I just want to remind you again, please don't forget to do and submit them as soon as possible. Untuk teman-teman yang belum mengumpulkan Science Center project atau tugas, Miss Vero hanya ingin mengingatkan saja, segera dikerjakan ya dan dikumpulkan. Terima kasih.
Well, I think that's all the lessons for today. If you're still confused, please review again the video, okay? That's all. Thank you. See you again on the Science Center class. Goodbye, guys.